Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. Another requested recipe. Come on and let's get started.
Jamaican, here comes the rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, let's talk about the meat that I'm gonna use. That is turkey mince. Now if you don't like turkey, go ahead and grab you some chicken, go ahead and grab you some beef, whatever, pork, whatever you want to use. But that right there is turkey. That is what we want in this house. It's turkey that I use for that recipe, and that's turkey I'm going to use for this one. You're going to need some kind of a spaghetti sauce, right? Use whatever that you like. Me, I like the mushroom one, and so that's what I'm using. You're going to need a can of diced tomato, your jerk seasoning, some fresh parsley. You're also going to need bell pepper. Use whatever color that you want to use. I so happens to have that color. That's what I'm using. You're going to need onions. Make sure you chop your onions in really fine, okay? As fine as you can get it. Okay, you're also going to need breadcrumbs, right? That is seasoned breadcrumbs. I like to use seasoned breadcrumbs because they give it that extra boost of flavor. 1 egg. You're also going to need some crushed red pepper, crushed pepper. And you're going to need all-purpose seasoning. That's Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. And black pepper and salt. And of course, you're going to need your garlic for this. You're also going to need some mozzarella cheese to finish off this dish. Okay guys, let's get into our very first step of making our jerk turkey meatballs. Fast, easy, and simple. I have the grounded turkey right there, and it's ready to be seasoned. The first thing I'm going to do is add my bell peppers, onions, seasoned breadcrumbs, some crushed red pepper, garlic, seasoned salt, and black pepper to flavor up this thing up a notch. Half a teaspoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoned mix, 1 egg. I'm also going to add some of that combo seasoning I love so much inside of it. I'm going to go ahead and add your fresh parsley. And with clean hands, you want to go ahead and get all that mixture together. And that is your mixture. So let's move on to our next step. Okay guys, so this is our next step. I have my baking container here. You want to make sure you have this on a flat surface because you're going to go ahead and put this in your oven. You get some butter, margarine, anything that you have. Or in my case, I'm going to use my non-stick cooking spray. And I'm just going to spray my surface. That way my meatballs don't stick. So now all I'm doing here is get my meat and make some nice little size. Guys, you can make whatever size that you want to make, but that looks pretty good to me. Okay guys, so now that your meatball is ready and set for the oven, you want to let these sit for about 15 minutes, okay? So you're going to let these sit open. Just leave it open and let it sit for 15 full minutes because you want it to marinate really good before you pop it inside the oven. Your oven should be on at this step, and your oven is going to be on 375 degrees, and this is going to take about 35 to 40 minutes to bake, okay? So let it sit 15 minutes, pop it in the oven at 375, bake for 35 to 40 minutes, and when I come back, this is going to be ready, and we're going to move on to finish up this dish. See you back. Okay guys, we are moving on to the next step. While I have my meatball them inside of my oven, and it's almost done. we're going to go ahead and make the sauce to go with your meatball, right? You don't have to stovetop this, guys. You are going to do this one in your microwave. Fast, easy, and simple. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your canned stewed tomato, your diced tomato, right? Your spaghetti sauce, some of that mozzarella cheese, nicely fine chopped parsley, just a little bit, because remember you have some into the meatball, so don't go overboard on that. And you just want to go ahead and just put some EVO in that, extra virgin olive oil, and just mix that in. Okay guys, I'm all done. Jerk turkey meatball in my kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. As much as I enjoy making it. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe, press that notification bell. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, at time we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.